When young adults are fed properly, they are able to
Hello,
concentrate in their
family.
studies, lunchtime
How are
versus
you?
lesson time.
How is your morning? How is your afternoon? How is your evening? How is your night? Welcome once again as I share with you a part of my program during my work time. These are my students as they take lunch, and when they are fed properly, thereafter I will show you a section of the video when they are very silent in the class as they continue with their lessons. So you're welcome to subscribe, and if you are a new subscriber, you are welcome. To our returning subscribers, feel much welcome. Please feel honored. Please stay with us as I prepare more and more content that you can easily consume. If please you have not subscribed yet, subscription is free. Please press that subscription button. Please share our videos. Please like us. By doing so, you encourage me to do more and more and more. This far, I'm humbled for your support. May God bless you, bless you, bless you as we together build this young generation. God bless you.